What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Make.com platform, which is a great platform that you can use to automate your tasks and apps without the use or knowledge of coding. So let's get right to it. First of all, if you go to their website, that's Make.com here, you will land on their homepage. And from here you can get like a glance of the features of the platform. As you can see here, some like charts to tell you how it's like supposed to do, as well as some like companies that trust the platform. And here you can see that you can make an action here, and you can replace Zapier, Workato, and Tray.io, some of the platform that it replaces for you. And here you can click to view or like see a video of the platform in action and what it allows you to do. If you scroll down, you can see that it has possibilities to help you in marketing, sales, operations, IT, and HR for your company and your teams, and automate works for building something incredible in your like business. And here you can start with many templates you can choose from and so much more. So here you can go ahead and view the product. So this is the platform. You can view the apps and services and enterprise, and you have solutions for marketing, customer experience, people, workplace and productivity, finance, sales, operations, information technology, and so much more. And let's take a look at their pricing pretty quickly before we get to the service itself. And here you can view their plans. So you have a free plan, which is obviously free, and you have a core plan, a pro plan, and teams plan, and the enterprise plan, which is like tailored to your needs. The free plan is of course free, and the core is $9 per month. Of course, these are the yearly prices, and if you go to pay monthly, of course the price will increase a bit. Now here the free plan only lets you do 1,000 operations per month, whereas the other plans would let you do more, and of course depending on the number of operations the price will increase. So here you can log in if you already have an account, or you can click to get started and get started for free to create an account. So I'll click on get started free here, and here you can sign up with Google, Facebook, or GitHub, or you can sign up simply with your name, email, and password, and it detects my country and my hosting region. So I'll just enter my name, email, and password, and then continue the sign up process. Okay, and once I signed up, they sent me a verification email to my inbox. So I'll open my inbox pretty quickly and view the link. And this is the mail that is sent to me. I'll just need to click here to verify my email. So click on verify email. It'll open up in a new tab. And then it'll tell you that your email has been verified. And now it asks you to sign in with your email and passwords that you just entered. So I'll just enter them to sign in. Okay, and now it'll ask you some questions to better like customize your experience. So which of the following best describes your role? So let's say I am the like executive, or I'm the data and analytics guy, and or I'm a freelancer. Let's say I am a project manager. Okay, what do you want to automate? Let's say database and CMS, or CRM and lead management. E-commerce, let's say CRM and lead management. Automation experiences, I have no experience with automation. The company size, let's say 2 to 10. How did you know about us? Let's say YouTube or anything. Okay, then get started. Okay, and now I'm in my dashboard right here, and let's expand the dashboard. Here I get some like analytics and some statistics. Of course, this is empty because I haven't automated any operations yet, or have any operations or data transfers or anything. Here I can like select a trigger and an action. So like when a new row is added in a Google Sheet, like it sends an email or sends a message on Slack, or open an AI chat GPT, or create a database item on Notion. So here you can select like triggers. So the way it does is that when you select like an action or a trigger, once you create the trigger, you set the action, and the action is automatically created though. So that's like the essence of automating tasks. And these are just some samples of like popular automations or popular combinations. You can create a new scenario from here. So if you click on create a new scenario, okay, you get like this pop-up tutorial. Okay, and you can click here on the plus icon to create the scenario or create like the trigger. Here you have so many like plugins and integrations with things like Apple iOS or Apollo, or like some platforms such as like Breeze, Brave, Revo, and so much more. So here you can create the automation and let it like run once or every or recurring like every like 15 minutes, every half an hour at regular intervals, or like every day, days of the week, and so much more. So here you have so much control over the automations that you choose. Here you choose the trigger first. The plus icon here chooses the trigger. So let's search for like Slack, for example, and here click on Slack. Now the message here, or the trigger itself, let's say I want to, when I open the messages or watch direct messages on Slack, it opens up like a Google Sheet. Okay, and now I need to connect it to my Slack account. Okay, create a connection. Here it asks me to connect user connection to Slack. I won't go through the whole operation, however, I'll just show you what it is. Let's go back. Okay, let's discard the changes. And here in the organization, I have here the dashboard and create some popular actions or automations. Here I have teams, where I can view here my team or view the automations and actions for my team. Here I have users. Of course, this is only me. I'm the only member in my team right now. However, I can add team members. If I go here to team settings at the top, I can name my team, change the name for my team. And here I have the notification options and the variables. Now, in the scenarios here, I haven't added any scenarios yet. I can click here to open the scenario builder or browse through the template. So if I open the scenario builder, I can create a new scenario as I was showing you before. Now, let's go back here to scenarios. I can view here the templates that are available. And much like the ones that were introduced or were at the like dashboard page or the main page here, I have here some automations like between different apps. So here, for example, a Google Forms and a Telegram bot. So post new Google Forms response to Telegram. So I can collect the Google Form responses to a Telegram bot, which is pretty useful, and so much more. And here I have the connections that I have. Of course, I don't have any connections yet. I can connect with over 1,400 apps. I can open the scenario builder to create connections. Here I have the webhooks if I want to use webhooks. Of course, I haven't created any. I can open the scenario builder to create webhooks if I want to. However, I won't do that now. And here I have more. I have keys, devices, data sources, data stores, sorry, and data structures and my app. So here I have the resource hub if I want to learn more, notifications, help, and my own account, which I can go and edit these settings. So let's go here to our home and let's try to add a new combination or a new automation from combination. So let's say when I open Google Sheets, and OpenAI Chat GPT will generate it. Now it'll open up a new tab where it'll ask me to confirm and like make the connections responsible for this action to be made. And here it'll guide me through the guides, and it's like a very simple and straightforward process to set it up. And here I can start the guided setup to create the new scenario. And that's it, pretty much it. Was a quick overview of the Make.com platform and its different features and benefits.